Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make crispy salmon taco. Let's get started.
Today we are taking taco to the next level with salmon tacos, crispy, juicy salmon, homemade tortilla and a spicy slaw that packs a punch. This is not just cooking, it's a culinary experience you can recreate right at home. Let's dive right in. First up, we are making tortilla from scratch. Trust me, once you taste fresh, soft tortilla, you will never look at store-bought the same way. Ingredients: salt, flour, boiled water, olive oil. In a mixing bowl, combine your flour and salt. These are the foundation. Gradually add warm water and olive oil. Mixing as you go to create a cohesive dough. Now here's a pro tip. Knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. This step is crucial for that soft, pliable texture. Once kneaded, cover the dough with a damp cloth or cling film. Let it rest for an hour. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the tortilla easier to roll out. After an hour, divide the dough into equal portions and roll them into small balls. If you have a tortilla paste, great. If not, use a rolling pin like I am doing today. Aim for 6 to 8 inches in diameter and about half an inch thick. Don't worry about perfection, it's all part of the charm. Heat a pan on medium heat and lightly brush it with oil. Cook the tortilla one at a time, flipping once you see bubbles and a golden hue forming. Keep them warm under cloth until we are ready to assemble. Next, let's get a start on the star of the show, our salmon. The marinade is simple but bursting with bold flavors. Here's a chef's tip: always pat the salmon dry before marinating. This ensures the marinade sticks beautifully. Marinade ingredients: in a bowl, mix all the spices together: Cajun spice, garlic powder, black pepper, cayenne chili powder, salt. Rub the spice mix generously on both sides. Then let it rest in the fridge for about 5 minutes to soak up the flavors. Heat a saute pan with olive oil on medium heat. Lay the salmon skin side down first. This helps to crisp up nicely. Flip and cook evenly until the salmon is golden and flaky. Transfer it to a wire rack to cool slightly. Now every tacos need that crunch and freshness. We are making a simple yet fiery slaw. Ingredients: red cabbage, habanero pepper. In a mixing bowl, Toss the cabbage and habanero together. The vibrant colors and spicy kick are going to elevate our tacos to the next level. For the sauce, we are keeping it simple and spicy with Sriracha Mayo. It's creamy, tangy and has just the right amount of heat. Ingredients: mayonnaise, sriracha, salt. Mix everything in a bowl until it's smooth and silky. Pro tip: chill the mayo before serving for a refreshing contrast to the spice. Now the fun part, bringing it all together. Start with a warm tortilla, layer one chunk of flaky salmon, a generous drizzle of Sriracha Mayo. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves for a burst of color and flavor. Serve with lime wedges for the zesty. And there you have it, beautiful delicious salmon tacos that are perfect for any occasion. These tacos are packed with bold flavors, vibrant colors and that satisfying homemade touch. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Invisible Chef Chami for more mouth-watering recipes. See you next time.